Hello, welcome back to Bitcoin TA. I not released the video yesterday because, well, it was just, I don't know, I just didn't have time. So pretty much what we're watching. Now, Trading Light, I do the 5-minute chart. That's just me. So last night we did break. We had a strong buy volume. I don't know. It doesn't say. Oh yeah, a total of 160 Bitcoin. Yeah, it tells you how much was bought and sold. So someone bought 102 Bitcoin, 58 sold. So someone bought a good chunk of Bitcoin at that pump. Now, why would it pump? Why would we be going up? Why would there be more upside to this massive move up? Right now, personally, I believe this is a buy the rumor right now. Because right now the rumor is the stimulus check. Now, I don't know if we're going to sell the news, but right now Congress, and as you've seen, the DOW also pumped on Friday. So what happened is Nancy Pelosi called for Congress to pass another stimulus check before the election. Now this is really good for all markets because there is a Twitter account out there which you can track the last stimulus check. If you invested it all in Bitcoin, you would be up. So it's good to know that. So if people are going to get another $1,200, we could see a major upside, potentially going back to that 11K range. Now, right now, this marker right here looks like there's a support around 11K. Now, I believe these 11Ks are psychological, so it is possible to hit it and then wick down. But depending on how strong the bullish momentum is, we could pass it really quick. But again, I don't know if this is just for fear, because there's also, now as you see lighter candles, there are some buys down here at that 10,630 and going down, with our last candle being at that 10K. Now we don't know if we're ever going to hit that, but there are people that do predict that we could go down and fill the CME gap. But right now, if we're above, here's the let me change this to my hourly chart, since we can check 5-minute chart right there. So right now we have strong support at 10,643, which shows in the VPVR level, with a high of 10,668, which is a clear line of support, as you see right there, as we've wicked to it and then we bounce back up. Again, the 50 EMA is holding us up, but we are getting strong support. I think this is the 128 EMA, the blue line, the 128. We are gaining support on the 128, which is really good. We just need to gain support on the 50 EMA really good. So there is a potential dump as of now, 10,653, but as we trend up, we're going to not hit that level. So again, that's a level you need to watch out. Our RSI is bouncing on to the support that I was trying to mention, but I didn't post a video, but 48.5. If we're below it, let's check the past. If we're below the 48.50 on the RSI, I've noticed is that we result in downward movement. As you've seen here, we're below it, we dumped. Now we go sideways, but we cannot break above it, and we dumped below. So maintaining the RSI level of 48.5 is crucial. But right now we are trading on the weekends. We are bouncing on it, so it's literally a toss-up. So if you are in a long still, you might want to change your stop loss or stop profit if you are in profit. Because if we break 10,643, it could get nasty, because this is a line of support. As you know, we broke past it, we dumped, we tried to have consolidations, then we pumped above it. Then we hit it once, we dumped, went above it, acted support, and right now we have not tested it because the 128 is as our support right now. So there's a potential going down to 10,624. So you might want to place some buys right there, potentially, and that would be the low of this VPR level. Looking at it right now. Now the DXY did have a nice solid bounce at the end of the day. Or not DXY, the DOW. We went up 291 points, which we made a great recovery. It broke out. The EMA was pushing the Dow down, we had significant bounce after we passed the 50 EMA, and we broke above a descending triangle. I hope I can load it. Yeah. Oh yeah, great. So yeah, as you know, the 50 EMA was acting as resistance, and we passed it, but then we dumped back down. Resistance, we dumped pretty damn hard. And then we went back to the 50 EMA, broke out. Now is this a short live? I really don't know. We got to check on Monday or when futures open, which that would happen around Sunday. I think 6 p.m. Central for me. But yeah, so we got to see if it dumps on the end. But it really depends on Bitcoin, honestly. Bitcoin right now is trading with the stock market, but it's more volatile to the stock market swings. So if we do dump in the stock market, you could see Bitcoin go into these low 10Ks again. And so right now, this was an uptrend line. We held support, then we pumped above it. Right now we can delete it because it's not needed no more. Because right now we're just testing the support right here, which could be, there's a few potentials what this could be. This could be a bull flag or a bull pennant. Or this is just consolidation sideways movement if you just want to not ignore the pump, which is a 50-50. But right now, as it stands, we are in a bullish phase. So going long is your best option because don't fight the trend right now. And we check the fear and greed index. People are fearful right now. They think we're gonna dump because right now, I think it's KuCoin. KuCoin just got hacked and a lot of their coins got moved off the exchange. But again, those wallets are now flagged, as Binance also tweeted out saying that those addresses are flagged and we move securely. So if that wallet tries to dump all those ERC20, the ETH, the Bitcoin, it's most likely going to be able to transfer to the exchange, but the exchange will not allow that account to sell. So you could see, you won't see it on whale alerts, but it will show you, it'll probably tell you about if the Bitcoin are going to be moved off the hacked wallet address. But again, I don't really know, since I don't know if whale alerts is going to produce like a 1 Bitcoin move if he does it in small chunks. But again, watch out for that. That was like 1,000 Bitcoin. But again, we look at our hourly volume on the weekend. 1,000 Bitcoin isn't even that much. It's like 1,000 Bitcoin, that'll be like 10 hours of selling. Which is possible, but again, on the weekends, most likely not going to sell. There will probably be a massive sell when we do pump above, which right now our first target would be the 10,920 or 10,894. After that, I do have 10,976 because that would fall a little short. Try to scare this sell wall away. Oh, see, it built back up. So I guess it's expecting a pump. So then after that, let's check on this. So next stop after we break that would potentially be 11,272. Now what's interesting about, okay, let's see if we can go back over here. What's interesting about this level, that level was where we had the support, pump, dump. So it was the bounce area. So I don't know if there's much resistance there. It is at the low end of the VPR level. And again, we also have some confluence right here, which we dumped to, we bounced, and then we're expecting a bounce back up, but the market didn't give us that. We dumped further. So this is a major line of sell pressure right here at that 11,272. So there might be some hidden sell walls. Then after that, as you pump up, this was resistance right here, 11,542. And then we have 11,876. And then after that, this was a, let's see. Yeah, there's not much here. This is just, I guess this would be a type of resistance, since we pumped above and then dumped right back down, which there's large volumes, transactions around here. Again, it's low in a VPR, so these are all new VPR levels. And TradingView doesn't show the old VPR levels as we get closer. They're showing the ones right now that's happening. But again, our goal is that 13,000, 14,000 by the end of the year. And it looks like we are going to hit it if Bitcoin has one more rally. So that'd be pretty cool. So again, we got to watch out for these levels. Right now, Bitcoin is testing this trading range at the top. Let's just check, see if it can bounce above. We had good buy volume. That was about 19 Bitcoin buy. This one is a 50-50. So it's good that we're pumping. That means there's not a lot of sellers. So that's good. All right, so again, follow the trend. Right now the trend is up. We are trending up. And I'll be holding my long position, seeing if we could hit that 11K pretty soon. And I'll be watching out for the news for the stimulus check, and then also watch the DOW. And then so for the Sunday, I don't know if we're gonna dump, just because, well, we're in an uptrend and there's too much bullish news coming out and the Dow's up. So if we do dump, it would be depending on how futures open and what happened around 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. Central. That's my best target or theory. But after that, I don't know. So that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed. Peace out.